Tnat Indian Meteorological Department lani IMD kala pelong ke stakeholders workshop Halor Phang Weather but Climate Services anong ba shalong mentagasngi kene ke program kalong kum shibenta na gajing rakhe ya gajing dap shispa san post nem ke Tnat IMD is secretary jong ke Tnat Revenue but Disaster Management ikong mat siudor war nongbri election benta hakate ke program kum ikong san Director General jong ke Tnat Meteorology Dr. M Mohapatra ula ai jingmut Phang ka jinglong bat ki thong jong ka tei ka workshop da ka bakadau bakum kini ki program ki wanra ya ka rensan ya kren na ka benta ki brieu ki bidon benta lang banya samlem ya ka jinglap jing shem jong ki bat ki jing ai jingmut ha ka be dei bat ka jing shakri jong ka IMD
have improved a lot, so we got a lot of the transistor technology. We have gone to the micro.
We are reaching out to the farmers through state government. We have got mobile app, state also has got mobile app. We have the KVKs, through which also Indian Council of Agriculture Research, India Meteorological Department and the State Agriculture Department, state universities are working together to provide the impact-based forecast. Impact-based forecast is a new phenomenon which has been taken place in the country for the last 5 years. Especially in the field of agriculture, if you just look at, the impact-based forecast can help to minimize the input cost, to maximize the agricultural operations like say fertilizer operations or pesticide operations, weeding, etc.